Do you know what, guys? I have my favorite barbecue sauce and I have some pork, so I decided to do up some sticky barbecue style pork. To do this, I'm going to add a cup of water to a pan over medium-high heat, followed by 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a couple of tablespoons of one of my all-time favorites, some oyster sauce. And to get that stickiness, a third of a cup of honey. I just love you there, honey. And I would encourage you guys to get a really good honey. This is super honey. It was given to me by a friend who's got his own honeybee farm. Just so good. Next, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And to spice up our lives, 3 cloves of chopped garlic and a couple of thumb-sized ginger that I've chopped. A good teaspoon of ground black pepper. Life just wouldn't be complete without pepper. And last but not least, my favorite Stubbs barbecue sauce. And you know, you can use a barbecue sauce of your choice. This is looking so good, guys. Now we got our pan fired up. I'm just going to give this a good whisk and bring it to a boil. Yummy, yummy sauce. Now we have a boil happening here. I'm going to add in about half a kilo or a pound of pork. Now I'm using pork belly here simply because I had some left over. But you know, you can use pork ribs, pork tenderloin, whatever you have on hand. So we're just going to reduce the heat a bit and allow this to simmer just until the sauce thickens up and coats that pork beautifully. It's been about 5 minutes now, so I'm just going to give this a flip. You want to flip it about every 5 minutes. And we're going to go for a total of 20 minutes maybe here. And no lid. You just want that juice to boil off and it to start to caramelize. Now I should mention too, it really depends on the cut of pork. I mean, if it's got a bone in it, you might want to boil it a little bit longer just to get that tenderness and it cooked properly. Okay, my friends, we're in our last 5 minutes here, so I can do my final flip. You can see this sauce is beginning to thicken up a little bit. And during this final 5, guys, what I usually do is take some of that delicious sauce and just spoon it over top of the pork. Oh, just look at this. So yummy and delicious. After 20 minutes here, guys, I'm going to kill the heat and just look at this. I'm going to show you 2 things. That wonderful, delicious sauce that's just about caramelized. And let's have a look at that pork. I'm just going to lift one out for you. Doesn't that look incredible? Dave's getting excited. Okay, here's the thing, guys. What you can do is you can eat it as is and you're dead on about 30 minutes, or you can go the extra step that I'm going to do and grab up the basket of your air fryer and we're going to slip this in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Okay, pork into the air fryer basket. And like I say, you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to make mine a little more barbecue-like, stickier, and a little bit crispier. Now, if you don't have an air fryer and you want to take this extra step, you can always fry it or grill it, or, even the oven would work for that matter. Just 10 minutes. Okay, into the air fryer at 360 for 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes in the air fryer, just look at this, guys. Aren't they incredible? I mean, if this isn't sticky barbecued pork, I don't know what is. Wow. Now we'll just garnish this up with some sesame seeds. I just love sesame seeds. I don't know why. And of course, some green onions, just to make them all pretty like. And there you have it, guys, our sticky barbecued pork. It doesn't get much better. Alrighty then, let's dig into this and see what we have. Man, oh man, you hardly even have to cut these. Wow. Just look at this. Oh, I bet you it's going to be good. I mean, what am I going to say? My mouth is full, sorry. You know what I'm going to say. This is incredible. You got to make this so quick, so easy, and so good. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Don't forget about our radio station. Click in, tune in, and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you like what you saw, hammer that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.